Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on general intelligence. As we know that general intelligence is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most hardest one also. General intelligence is not a particular topic, rather than it is basically a cluster of topics like blood relation problems, city management problems, coding, decoding, syllogism, and many more. So you need to know each and every topic in details and the different approaches to solve the different sums in that topics. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. Here we are given a matrix of numbers and one of these numbers is missing, and we need to find the missing number based on uh, any inherent pattern in a row or column in that given matrix. So in the first problem, we are given a matrix 8, 6, 9 in the first column. In the second column, we have 72, 66 and the missing number. And in the last column, we have 9, 11 and 6. If we notice carefully, we can find a pattern that if we multiply the first element in the first column and the first element in the last column, we get the middle one. That is 8 into 9 is equals to 72, and if we multiply 6 and 11 we get 66. So it is pretty much clear that if we multiply 9 into 6 we get our required answer, which is 54. Hence option D is the correct answer. Now let's jump to the next question. Here we have a matrix with 4 row and 3 column, and the first element is 14, then 2, 3 and 4 in the first column. The first element in the second column is 25, then 4, 3 and 7 following, and in the last column we have 42, 6 the unknown number, and lastly 9. Okay, so if we notice, we can find a pattern inherent in this matrix, that if we multiply the last two elements in a particular column and add with the second element, we get the first element in that particular column. That is, if we multiply 4 into 3 we get 12, and if we then add 2 with 12 we get 14. If we multiply 3 into 7 and add 4 we get 21 plus 4, 25. Similarly, if we multiply 9 into the missing number, suppose x, and add 6 we get 42. So in this particular equation we get our required value. Then 9x is equals to 42 minus 6, which results in 36, and therefore we get our required answer, which is 4. So B is the right answer. So we have successfully solved all these questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about general intelligence, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in these two numbers, 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sortofsuchclasses.com. Thank you very much.